Welcome to Cruisy Sea Days, and in this video I'm going to show cabin 8710 on board the P&O Pacific Encounter. It is an obstructed ocean view cabin located on deck 8 near the aft elevators. It is a category OY type cabin, so if you're staying in that cabin type, the room configuration will be similar. Before we begin with the tour, below the room is the Black Circus Theatre. When the shows are on, you can hear the noise and feel the bass. But if you're sensitive to sound when you want to rest, you may want to keep that in mind. Let's get on with the tour. When you enter the cabin, you can continue to the main living/sleeping area, or to the left is a clothes hangers and cupboard space, so let's start there. It provides plenty of clothes hanging space and places to put your suitcases. Above is the life jackets just in case of emergency. And then we have the cupboard with shelves and the mini safe. Not big enough for a laptop though, but if you just want to put a wallet or passports in, it's the perfect size. To the left of that is the bathroom and shower. Not a huge size, but more than satisfactory for a week or two. Here's a hint, try and keep the shower curtain closed while showering, as there is no drain outside of the shower. Let's head back to the main living area. Next to the picture is the air conditioning temperature adjustment. The first thing you'll see is a large size TV and the window of the cabin. The room is set in a triple bed configuration, which unfortunately can't be changed. Next to the beds is a lamppost which has USB connections on it. Underneath the TV is a cooler, which is more than capable of keeping things cool but not to a freezing cold temperature. The obstruction from the windows is the lifeboats, but they aren't completely overtaking the view. Let's move on to the table with the phone, which has US style power points attached. Underneath is 3 drawers, on the other side is 2 more, so plenty of storage space. Above that is the second lamppost with USB, and behind that is the light switches from the room. There are 2 others located with the other lamppost and at the entrance of the room. And if you worry that the room only has US power plugs, don't be, the room has 2 Australian style plugs. If you've ever wondered why you can't take a surge protected powerboard on a cruise ship, have a look at this video here, and thanks for watching.